Hi guys, Celai here, and back with another beauty series video. So today I will be teaching you how to make a Cerasee tea toner. But wait. Before we get started, today's t-shirt goes out to Ona Judge. If you don't know who she is, she was a 14-year-old girl enslaved by George Washington. And one day she decides, deuces, I'm out, and escapes. And you know what? George Washington spent his whole entire life, till death, to find her, but never did. So shout out to my girl Ona Judge. Anyways, let's get started. So if you don't know what Cerasee tea is, it is a very popular tea out in Jamaica and in some parts of Florida. It is a very popular bush tea, and sometimes people don't even know it's in their backyard. It is known for its many health benefits, but it's also really good for the face. It helps with rashes, acne, and eczema. And it has iron and vitamins A and C. So, as you can see, it is, of course, really good for internally and externally. All right, so let's get started. All right, so this is what the regular packets look like. It has the Cerasee powder in it, and this is what the boxes look like. And I have some cousins that are from Jamaica, and I'm gonna have to ask them about this tea and see if they have some, childhood traumas from this. And also, my aunt went to Jamaica, so I'm gonna see if she, had to try it. It's very bitter, and I could never drink it, but it actually tastes like, from what my mom said, like earwax. And earwax don't really taste all that good, so we're not, yeah. Um, you would steep this like any regular tea, but you would do one packet to about 6 to 8 ounces of water. And so this we had from earlier, and this is actually already cool, so it will be ready to put into the container. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can. Huh? Okay, let's see if I can do this right. I'm scared. Okay. All right. It tastes like perfume. So this is what it looks like. And as you can see, we have this extra amount of tea. So I will be putting this right back into the refrigerator because I personally will not be drinking it because, I don't like it. But my mom, of course, will be drinking it. And if you have a rash, eczema, or any skin problems, you can try and spray this on the area and hopefully it'll clear it up. And I usually spray this on my face about 4 times a day to keep the acne away. Nice. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you've ever been to Jamaica or if you've ever had a Cerasee tea and what you think it tastes like. Alright, bye!